Hi everyone, welcome to the Calligraphy for Beginners course. I'm Jackson Alves, a Brazilian designer, calligrapher and letter artist based in Orlando, Florida. I run my own studio here, collaborating with clients from all over the world, including Apple, Montblanc and Coca-Cola. And I'm here to share my passion for calligraphy with you. This course is perfect for beginners. You'll learn calligraphy step by step using your iPad and the Apple Pencil. I'll even give you a special calligraphy brush I designed just for this course. And guess what? Everything you learn here can also be used for traditional calligraphy with pen and paper. We'll start with the basics, warming up exercise, basic strokes, minuscules, capital letters, numbers and words. Then you'll learn how to create beautiful compositions. By the end of the course, you'll make your own project to show off everything you have learned. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and create something amazing together.